Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing the final update on the Facebook Marketplace Christmas Selling Challenge. So I wasn't able to do the update last week because I was spending New Year's in Las Vegas doing this.
More on the yellow for me. Wait for my countdown. Okay. Here she comes. 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, so let's get into it. How did I do with the Facebook Marketplace Christmas Selling Challenge? So as you guys know from the very beginning, my goal was to do $1,000 in profit, and my final total number was $980. So I was $20 away from my goal of $1,000. And in the last couple of days before Christmas, like 22nd, 23rd, 24th, I did about 3 sales just before Christmas, so people getting their last minute presents in there. My highest profited item was the Frozen gift set at $145. Like I mentioned in the previous episodes, that Frozen gift set was a combination of Frozen items, Frozen the movie, and 3 of the main items, the castle and the 2 dolls. I got that from Superstore using PC Optimum points, so I basically got those items for free. And the other items I actually got from Arit's mom, and I only spent $4 at Dollarama buying the hair accessories for the whole Frozen package. So that whole thing was pretty much profit, about $145 profit. I would highly recommend bundling things and packaging things because I specifically made that so that a parent would see that and think, okay, let me just buy it off of here, off of this person, off of Facebook Marketplace, instead of me having to go around to different stores trying to put this Frozen package together. I was going off of the whole Christmas frenzy, people don't have time, last minute shopping, and actually when I did sell that to a mother, she said that I was saving her a lot of time and Christmas shopping by just getting everything all at once from me. So I would highly recommend bundling, and if you have some sort of points, I'm here in Canada, so we have this thing called PC Optimum points, where it goes for Superstore, Loblaws, Esso Gas, and a bunch of other stores, and you accumulate these points, and instead of getting groceries or something like that from Superstore, I use it to get products to resell for more profit. My second highest profited item was this Instant Pot cooking tool. I've never used it before, and I've actually never heard of it until my parents won it at a Christmas party. They don't use it, and they know that I like to sell things, so they gave it to me to sell, and I sold that for $95. And I didn't realize that it's a high premium item in the cooking world, and when I listed it, pretty much immediately I was getting inquiries for it, and I sold it very soon after listing it. And because my parents won that at a Christmas party, that was all pretty much pure profit, $95. My third highest profited item was this Elvis wall canvas painting. So I saw this at Winners, and I actually really do like Elvis. I do like vintage Elvis, and when I saw this, it attracted me to it because I do like Elvis, and I liked the kind of art. It was different, it was urban, and I was at Winners because I was using my Aeroplan points. So I also have Aeroplan points, PC Optimum points. My credit card is connected to Aeroplan, so every time I use it, I get like a bunch of points, and then I use that to get Winners gift cards, Canadian Tire gift cards, buy products to resell. So I had a $200 Winners gift card that I got for free from my Aeroplan points. And I was looking for things at Winners to sell, and I saw this Elvis canvas. It immediately attracted me to it because I thought it looked so cool. It was selling for $29, and then I sold it for $65. But again, the money that I used was basically free because it was a Winners gift card that I got from my Aeroplan points. So pretty much that whole thing was all profit. And I have been experimenting with art pieces particularly canvas paintings from winners and finding really unique pieces. Now, I will say that I didn't get a ton of inquiries for this item like I thought I would. I thought that I would get more than what actually came in. I actually only had one person, but that one person was very dead set on getting this. So when I got that inquiry from the person who wanted to buy it, they were like, I want it right now, I'll come and get it. So it's one of those items that can take a bit longer, and there's not a huge fan base for it. But when you have someone, it's like they want it immediately. So I found they found me. Now, selling art is a little bit iffy because you don't know if someone's gonna like it or not. So I've been doing some testing, and I have sold like a couple art paintings from winners. And here's a notable item that I sold that most people would disregard and not expect to get anything from it. So I sold these Starbucks gift cards. So in my past e-commerce life, when I used to sell on eBay, I actually used to sell Starbucks gift cards. Now, these gift cards had $0 balance on them, meaning it's just the card. And I'm not sure if it's as popular now, but when I was doing it, I probably made $3,000 to $4,000 selling these Starbucks gift cards. And I know it's really hard to believe, but at the time, Starbucks gift cards were specific to areas. They do still have them for specific cities, but now they're a lot more generic because I think Starbucks figured out that there was this whole black market of Starbucks gift cards being sold. But at the time, they were more exclusive, and you could only get them at certain places. And I used to work at Starbucks, and so did my sister. And we used to just collect these cards. We used to collect them because I actually genuinely liked the pictures on them. I used to collect a lot of different things when I was younger. Rocks, stamps, coins, and Starbucks cards. And when I realized I didn't really care for them anymore to collect them, I started listing them on eBay. And I started listing them individually. And I would start them off at 99 cents, and I would get bids, and I would sell, one for $5. And I'd be like, whoa, I sold this one card with $0 balance for $5 US. And then some cards would sell for $20, and some would sell for $25, and some would sell for $50. It all depended on, the design of the card, how rare it was, if it was scratched or not scratched. It was this whole world of Starbucks gift cards. Anyways, I have a lot of leftover of these Starbucks gift cards. And I just took a picture of all of them like you see here. And I just listed them for like $20. And you can get 42 of these cards with $0 balance, like they literally have no money on them, just a plastic card with a picture on it for $20. And I was just like, let's see if someone's going to give me $20 for these cards. Got a couple inquiries. Someone said, yes, I want to buy them. And I sold these $0 balance cards for $20. And that's the thing, is you'll never really know what sells until you actually list it. And people buy the craziest things, as we've seen in garage sales on eBay. On eBay is where you can really get creative and sell like really weird things. So that's my most notable item because it's something that most people would disregard. So I did the $980 profit part-time. As you guys know, I do have a full-time business with my business partner, Arit. We have this YouTube channel, we have our coaching services, but I love selling on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, so that's why I still do this part-time. Now, if I were to do this full-time, for sure you can double that or triple that, and people do actually make a living off of doing this kind of thing. So I wanted to do this challenge to show you guys that it's not hard to sell on Facebook Marketplace. There's not a huge learning curve. Yeah, there's things that you need to know about taking pictures, responding on time, responding in a certain way, but the learning curve to actually get started is not difficult. So when people are always asking me, I need some extra cash, what should I do? I don't have any skills. I just have like my job skills, which are usually, like office type stuff, working in a restaurant, a typical kind of job. And I'll say to them, try selling. You'll learn a lot. You'll learn a lot about products, money, interacting, and it's really rewarding when you do your first sale. That's how I got addicted to it on Craigslist. I remember this whole thing started when I had a bunch of stuff in my room that I had accumulated, and I didn't want to throw it away because the stuff was in good condition. And I said to myself, I'm pretty sure that I could sell this stuff and people would buy it. I started listing it, and then I got addicted to Craigslist because I was doing sale after sale after sale. And I think at one point, at my highest point of my Craigslist career, I was doing at least one sale a day in an entire month. So in like 1 month of 31 days, I did one sale a day on Craigslist. Now I find Craigslist is like, it's quiet now. It's quieter for sure, and Facebook Marketplace is definitely taking over. So this is the end of the Facebook Marketplace series. I'll still be creating Facebook Marketplace videos, and I will still be selling on Facebook Marketplace even though the Christmas challenge is over. I just wanted to show you guys that, you can make a decent amount. An extra $1,000 for someone in a month means a lot. So if you do need to make some extra cash, I would highly recommend trying it out and doing it yourself. Alright guys, if you have watched the series, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the comments section below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.